What's good, y'all? Today I'm here with Mike from Visual TV and Video Corp, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fixing my Samsung TV. So my Samsung TV is the 55-inch JS7000 series, and it has been having Wi-Fi connectivity issues. So this has been happening for the past 2 years. I've had the TV for about 4 years now, and what the TV would do basically is that it won't detect any network, and when it does, it would detect it for like probably about an hour. I would select the network, it would work properly. I would go into Netflix, probably watch a show for an hour, and bam, network is gone. Can't detect the network back for the next couple of months. So I troubleshoot this issue. I went online, Google searched, I went on the forums, I went on YouTube, tried all of the problems on all of the Samsung models out there, tried everything, and still nothing worked for my TV. So I was thinking that, hey, it gotta be the Wi-Fi card. So I got Mike here today with me. Mike is gonna fix my TV. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a clip of what happened with my TV. Maybe y'all take a look at that and see if y'all TV was having that same issue. And I'm gonna give you my troubleshooting, what I did. So maybe, who knows? It might work for your TV, it might fix your TV. And this doesn't have to be for the 7000 series. I know the 7000, the 8000, the 9000 series, they was all having the same Wi-Fi connectivity issues. So this might help out some other models too, because when I went on YouTube, other Samsung models was having these issues. So hopefully whatever troubleshoot I'm doing here later on in the video, I can show you and hopefully it works out. Make sure like, subscribe, and check out the rest of my channel. I might have some helpful content there for you. So take a look at that. So I'm gonna run through the clip now, and after I'm gonna do the troubleshooting. And if you want, you can skip through this video. I'm gonna throw the timestamps in the description below. So if you don't want to watch it, skip through, and here's that video.
Menu, go down to network status here, and it'll give me that. And let me stop that real quick. Go to network settings. I'm gonna click on wireless here, and it's gonna check this, and it's not even gonna pop up no networks. There's like a whole bunch of houses around, and when it wants to work, it'll pop up the networks, but majority of the time it don't work. So I'll keep searching, and nothing's not gonna pop up. It's like the network card or on the motherboard, or if they have a network card, is bad. And that's it, doesn't do nothing. I mean, my phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. My Xbox right there is connected to the Wi-Fi down there right now. My computer's connected to the Wi-Fi. My phone, everything's connected to the Wi-Fi. And it's just the TV that's having this issue. So this is the problem I get when trying to go on Netflix or any other apps on a Samsung TV. Give me that, blah, blah, blah.
So to troubleshoot this issue, number one, what you always want to do is to make sure Wi-Fi in your house is working. Make sure other devices connected to the internet. And if that's not the case, then all you could do is that you could, if you have a hotspot from your mobile phone, you can always hotspot the Wi-Fi and connect it with your TV. And if your TV connects, then that might not be the issue. It might be your Wi-Fi at home. But if it drops the connection and it can't find the connection, then you're like my TV, which don't care about no Wi-Fi connection. Second troubleshooting issue I had went through was that I had actually called Samsung, because when you go on your TV, you go through the settings and it can't detect the internet, and it says that it would contact Samsung for you. But I called Samsung, and what they told me to do is that there's a firmware upgrade for the TV. So what you need to do is that you can't update your TV because there's no internet. So you need to go on their website, download their software package, download the firmware package on a USB flash drive, and connect it to the USB port on your TV. and then the TV would automatically update from whatever's on the flash drive. So that actually worked one day for me. My TV internet was working for one day, and then it stopped working, which is crazy. The third troubleshooting I seen was on YouTube, where they tried to manually change the DNS, and they selected it. You can actually find the video. It's easy. Just type it in on YouTube for Wi-Fi connectivity issues with Samsung. And there's a couple videos where they manually changed the DNS and all of the information. And I had tried what they said. I did that, and that did not work. The fourth troubleshooting that I did was also found on YouTube, that they're saying that these smart TVs, the Samsungs, and it's not the JS 7000, 8000, 9000 series, they're saying that the other models too. Apparently what the smart TV does is that it will detect that you have a smart device connected to the TV, like an Apple TV, a Roku player, or an Android box or something like that. And then what it would do actually is that it would take the internet off of the TV, and it would basically use the device as this Wi-Fi. That's going to be like basically your smart hub. That's going to be what you're using. So that's why the internet on the TV won't work until you pop out the HDMI port, the HDMI wire for that device. You pull that out, and that might solve your problem. I had tried that, and that did not work for me. Troubleshoot number 5. So if you have a router or a Wi-Fi extender next to your TV, and you could actually use a Cat 5 cable or Cat 6 cable and connect it from the extender or the router, just use a cable straight to the TV, and maybe wired internet might work on it, because the Wi-Fi card is different sometimes on some of the TVs, and some of the network port is actually on the motherboard on the TV, so it might be two separate things. So if you have a wired connection, that might work better for you. So you never know, try that out. Some of us, we don't have nothing next to our TVs, so we want to run it off of Wi-Fi, and you don't want no other wires running behind the TV and stuff like that. So you can try that out, see if that works for you. Troubleshoot number 6. Manually type in your home network, your home password for your home network. You never know, maybe it didn't connect it because it thinks that your network is private. So type it in manually, see if it pulls it up. If it don't, then you might be in a situation that I'm in, and it might be your Wi-Fi card, and then you might have to have somebody to come fix it. But I'm going to show you how Mike does it, and you're going to see if you can do it yourself. I hope some of the troubleshooting helped you out loud. Make sure you like, subscribe, take a look at my channel, see if there's anything helpful in there for you. And let's get to it. Let's see how Mike does this.
What is that one for?
This is Wi-Fi board.
Oh, that's a Wi-Fi board up here. I thought the Wi-Fi board was connected on this whole big piece here.
No, this is main board, power supply, T-con board, Wi-Fi.
Okay.
old one and new one. Okay, all done.
That's pretty quick.
I hope some of the troubleshooting helped y'all out. Make sure you like, subscribe, take a look at my channel, see if there's anything helpful in there for you. Check in the description below and check up top for my other videos. Check my channel. The third troubleshooting I seen on YouTube was when, oh damn, excuse me.